Hello and welcome. My name is Leon Lavatsa, working for the KenyaEMR project, and I'm going to take you through appointment management using KenyaEMR. That is, listing patients due for appointment and patients seen. Thank you. The first step is to log into KenyaEMR and navigate to the home page. Once you have navigated into the home page, you will see several tabs or applications on the home page and navigate to the registration application. Once on the registration application, you will see a panel on your left that has a calendar which is labeled Select Day to View Scheduled Patients. Under the calendar, just select the precise day in which you would like to see the patient scheduled for appointments on that day. Once you select the specific day, give it a few minutes and you should see a list of patients scheduled for appointments on the day. The list will appear on the panel on your right. The list is labeled the number of patients scheduled for the day and the specific dates in which the patients are scheduled to come for an appointment. To see clients seen on the specific day, that is clients who have already been seen and have been checked out of the system, still on the same page on the panel on your left, there is a button at the very bottom of the list that is written Seen Patients. You click on the Seen Patients button and select the day in which you would like to see the patients seen. Once you've selected on the date, you will see a list of the clients seen on that specific day. The second method in which you can see the patients scheduled for appointment and patients seen is to navigate to the home page, then navigate to the reports application. Once you are at the reports page, navigate to the HIV tab. Under the HIV tab on the panel on your left, you will see the patient follow-up report. Under the patient follow-up reports, you will see a report labeled Patient Scheduled for Appointment. Once you open the Patient Scheduled for Appointments report, you will see a panel on your left under tasks. There is the button for request reports. You could request the reports and specify the dates in which you would like to see the appointments. You can specify over a period of time, or you can specify the same day and the report will give you the scheduled appointments of the same day. Select the dates and request for the reports. It will take a few seconds to run. Once the report is out, you can select View so that we can see the reports, and it will give you the list of all the clients scheduled for that specific day, their names, the unique patient number, the age, the sex, the phone number, the last visit date, that is the last visit that they had, and the next appointment date that they were given on the last visit date, and if they have a visit on the day or no. If a client has honored a visit, under the has visit day column, it will be yes. If the client did not honor the visit, it will be no. So for instance, for my reports, all the clients that were scheduled for an appointment for this specific day did not honor the visit. That's why all of them are. So for any client who has already come for the visit at any point of the day that you run this report, you will get a yes and a has visit on day. For further information on this and more, please refer to our online training resources on the link provided, or you can call us on our toll-free service desk line on the number provided. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and thank you.